So, first thing we're going to do is bing, bing. Ooh, I'm going to roll this window too. And then actually, I'm going to hit this just to clear some of these. All right, so to begin with, I will have you press and hold on the brake pedal until the door closes all the way.
Oh. That's like the Rolls Royce.
Experience.
Yeah.
Hey David, loving that team shirt looks great for checking out Afeela here in Vegas. And I see you're already exploring the tech. Anything inside catching your eye so far?
Actually, I feel I'm kind of hungry. Are there any good burger joints nearby?
Here are 3 hamburger restaurants near you. One a Habit Burger and Grill, charbroiled burgers and sandwiches in the Fashion Show Las Vegas Mall. 2 a Black Tap Craft Burgers and Beer, known for their burgers and over-the-top milkshakes at the Venetian. 3 In-N-Out Burger, classic chain for customizable burgers, fries, and shakes near the LINQ.
Can you navigate us to the second choice?
Okay.
And just like that, your turn-by-turn is engaged. You can engage the ATIS, and she'll drive you right there. So you'll notice on your cluster in the upper left, you'll see that the navigation's there. But if you press this button, you can move the nav to the cluster entirely, and that way you have the rest of the panoramic screen to use to your heart's delight. So speaking of delight, I'm going to show you themes. So this car is all about customization and personalization. And so when you change themes, the interior lighting will change, the wallpaper will change, the cluster will change, the media bar on the front will change as well, but there will also be, each of them has a custom e-motor sound that you'll hear when you're accelerating. So for instance, this is the one that's engaged right now, default on Horizon.
Oh.
But I'm gonna show you now Doratomo, which is Afeela's mascot, and that's a portmanteau of Driving Tomodachi, meaning driving friend. And so this is what this one sounds like.
Does the sound get activated when you drive, or how does it?
Yeah, that's your acceleration sound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so when it's applied, you'll see that the wallpaper has changed, the interior lighting has changed, the media bar will have changed as well, and on your cluster is a Doratomo. He gives you a little bow, greeting you, and as you're driving, he'll run along on his treadmill. When the car is done charging, he'll take a sip of his water. And to show you one more thing, we're going to pop now into the audio system we were talking about. So I said before, there's 28 speakers, 2 subs right here, so you'll feel them next to your body instead of...
There's still a speaker at the armrest?
They're underneath the console. So okay. Now the bass is centered, and more, you'll be able to actually feel it as opposed to coming from the trunk. So let us partake of the charms of this system. Go back just a bit. Like with video, because we got this big, beautiful screen, may as well make it count. I'm gonna have to actually get someone to check on that. So, let us check out the Karate Kid trailer.
Our tradition.
I saw this movie
Yeah.
2 weeks ago.
It's Destiny.
Yeah, I saw it 2 weeks ago.
You know what? I think I might need to get a tech in here because
The screen got blocked.
Oh no, it died. Yeah, we're gonna need to get a tech. Oh, that's a bummer. Want to show you, actually, yeah, there are a few more features, like you can L-swipe, move to the side when the video is centered. Funnily enough, the screen will black out so as not to distract the driver.
Yeah, that could be possibly a software bug or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a tech to come check this out. We're gonna have to, unfortunately, cut this part of the demo short. But you'll be able to move the screen to the side, and there is a privacy filter that engages, that polarizes the side of the screen so the driver can't see it while driving, and the passenger and the other passengers will be able to continue watching the movie. But unfortunately, you drew a bad straw, and this will happen from time to time.
Yeah, no worries, I
demos.
understand.
But
so we can move to the back, or
let me see if the back is still working.
latest.
Yeah, they're completely fresh. Some
Oh,
of
is
them.
it?
Yeah.
Enrich the device.
Let me see if this will work. Go ahead and take a seat.
So convertible car means the open air car.
See if it behaves still back here. Cool. So when you think of Sony, you think of PlayStation.
Exactly.
And the vehicle comes equipped with PS Remote, meaning if you have a PS5 or a PS4 at home and it's connected to the internet, you can play any of your PlayStation Remote-enabled games over 5G streaming into the car. So it takes just a few seconds to connect.
It's pairing up.
Get the roof. You like open car, the convertible car?
Assuming it's not cooked. Hey, so there's a controller there next to you, and I can film if you like.
Yes, please.
Go ahead and press X on the controller, and then the back shoulder, right shoulder button is
The right one here.
this one back here. Yeah, that's your acceleration, and then you can steer with the stick. Should I see stuff on the viewfinder for?
Yeah, start on it.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
I'm terrible when it comes to PlayStation.
So if you're waiting for your car to charge, you can get back in and finish your mission, or if you're on a long road trip, your passengers in the back can keep themselves entertained and not be all, are we there yet?
Design and technology. Afeela reimagines how we live with nature. Inspired by nature's beauty and comfort.
Yeah, that essentially completes this last part of our demo.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much. This is
I'm glad you
brilliant.
got to see like most of it. The only part that you really missed is a productivity.
Basically end-to-end driving assistance, so which means you still have to be supervising in the driver's seat. So it will have the camera, the dictation. They can catch you, but as long as you're there, you can basically hands-free, then we can take you to your destination. So, as I said, I know you're a great driver, but if not, the car will take you there. But so this model is a pre-production model, which means that they are already in assembly line. Honda has a factory, East Liberty plant in Ohio. So these three models right here, the black one, the gray one, these are manufactured there. We'll start the delivery sometime this year. So we'll start seeing these on the road in California. We'll start in California this year, Arizona next year, and Japan hopefully next year too. So they are going to be in the market very soon. And as for the outside, you can see it's very like round. We have an oval concept, so we have we just took out all the edges, very smooth feature. Then we also have 40 sensors to achieve that L2 plus ADAS. So you feel like you're surrounded in this cocoon, very warm, very protected feeling when once you're inside. And also we have this great entertainment feature or AI feature from Sony, and we do use the AI for driving and also for the entertainment. Our goal is to redefine people or the users and the mobility's relationship. So basically, the car will learn about you, and you will learn about the car. So it's a two-way communications going on. And I don't know if you saw the front. We have this like a media bar. So it's like a digital bumper sticker. I would say you can put any text that you like. You can change it from the app, or if you change the theme of the car, they will show you some pictures features. It's a very beautiful. All the screens are, of course, produced by Sony.